What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the native ads traffic network Adnow. So I'm already logged in to the dashboard. As you can see, it's quite simple. Your balance, hi, my email, show campaigns, create a new campaign. So you have the campaign name, diffuse, the clicks, A clicks, V clicks, ACT, CPC, CTR, spend, budget. Very simple all. So we can go to profile, we can go to campaigns. So that's just your money basically. Then we have the amount has to be a minimum of $30 with credit card, minimum of $1,000 with PayPal, and a minimum of $30 with web money. Then the campaign tab is where we just were, and under the tools you will find the ability to make a whitelist and a blacklist, your whitelists and your blacklist and your whitelist. Simple. Then you have some basic rules they share, which is just a normal native ads guidelines, but very simple. I mean, this looks like a lot smaller network because they have like the terms like integrated, but let's look at the tools they have available. We were just there. Then I think all that's left is create a campaign. They have a support function here. It says chat, but it goes to email, contact form, advertiser at Adnow. All right. Then all there's left to do is create a campaign. So let's have a look. Campaign name at the top. Budget. We do $10. What's the minimum? If we do $1. Okay. Find country, we'll do United States. There we go. This is cool. This is what I like. Click volume, click price, low quality traffic, high quality traffic, $3 per click. So it goes up rapidly here. Click volume says the same. 77, 79, 515. Next price per click, but that's so cheap. Half a cent. Oh, but it goes here from, that's weird, from like half a cent to like 50 cents. Quite a big jump. So I think the main traffic would be here. If you have like low quality traffic here, it would be maybe used for arbitrage or something like that. But let's just, what is it doing though? Ah, okay, so this is red, low quality. Then the quality gets a little bit better, so let's just stick it here. 0.37 cents per click, make new campaign. Campaign created. Then I think we go to campaigns. Add campaign. Oh, it's loading, it's doing something. This is where we just were. Okay, so we have to go back to campaigns. And there's one campaign here. No active creatives. All right, then I suppose you can click on it and then you can continue. All right. Use postback. This is a very interesting interface. I haven't seen this before. So we target the United States and we target, you can go per providers, operation systems, connection types. Let's just go with everything without limits, which is on right now. Then, you have to shift the tabs like this. All right. Creatives, add teaser, title. I have to put in an image there. All right. And then blacklist, whitelist. So you have to do that before you can go. I'll just select a random image I have on my computer. Attention discrimination, that's not in the parameter. Okay, so what? All right, so let's just put this like this, www.afkform.com, then download from URL. URL image, well, I don't know. Can I just put this one? Upload. Getting remote picture. Error. File not found. Teaser activated. Alright, add. Please await teasers on moderation. You have to wait for it to get approved. Alright. And I think that's it. Then the blacklist. And then you would have to fill in the copy, etc. But this is giving a little bit of a bottleneck. Do they have like an FAQ here somewhere to figure out? Because everything else looks quite simple, right? I mean, it's fairly basic. They only have like the basic rules, nothing else. So I guess you have to explore this on your own. I wanted to show you guys everything about Adnow, but apparently it's quite simplistic and there's not much information about it. So to be fair, I wouldn't try it myself, but if you want to give it a shot, this is what it looks like. Good luck.